Hi dolls, we are back with a one suit multiple ways. If you watched my video a couple weeks ago, you saw that I did a pink tweed suit and I styled it multiple ways. Watch that after you finish watching this video. Watch this one first, then you can go back and watch that one. And if you're not already, like, subscribe, comment, engage with me so I can keep making these videos. Yeah, so let's get right into it. So I just bought this mean green, Yeti green, for y'all 3-6 Mafia Project hat fans. Getty green, okay, y'all know I'm about to show my clutching side. So it's that mean green power suit. I bought this suit recently and I want to show y'all how we can style this multiple ways. You can dress it up, do it corporate, mix and match. So let's just get into it so I can show you how we can do it. All right, so first, this is a suit, so it's a set. So obviously you can wear this together. You can go ahead and I can pair it with this top that I have on, with these bottoms, and this could be a corporate look easy. Right here, I have some sling back pumps, and I've been on a sling back pump. So I think this is going to be my look for the spring summery. You can pair this with a sling back pump and give corporate. Give this corporate, and actually I wore this today with this black top that I have on. Give corporate. All right. Another way that we can wear this is I got my coat of many colors. I'm loving this coat. This is thrifted. I get so many comments on it, but I feel like it's my coat of many colors. If you know the book of Joseph in the Bible, he had the coat of many colors, and that's what I feel like I am when I wear this. Anyway, you could always pair this with this, of course. Another thing we can do. Here we go. We have a bodysuit. We got a black bodysuit with a white rose. If you know, the flowers are in. Of course, we're going into spring. We're in March right now, whenever you're watching this. But right now, it's currently March. We're going to spring. Roses are in for this season. So one thing we could do is go ahead and tuck this bodysuit in to the bottom. You got a whole look. This is a look. This is a look. You could either wear it like that, or you can pair it with the blazer. Give a little off the shoulder look, because this flower is big. Hang it off the shoulder a little bit, and we can go ahead and pair that with some red bottoms and give that a whole boss look. Babe, this is a look. This, I don't know, I might take a photo shoot of this, because this is like, this might be a whole look right here. Like, I'm loving that. I'm loving it. I don't know about y'all, but that's easy way of bodysuiting it. Another way that is easy, so that, you know, we have the green suit as a match. This is a pair that I have as well. So this is a green pair that we have. What we could do is mix and match these pairs. So get into your pairs. Get into your pairs. So here we can obviously mix the top with this. We have a little monochrome going. This is a little bit of a different color green, but obviously we can pair that together. And then we got some green wedges. So if you want to go for the whole green and monochrome look, we can do that. So that is the bottoms and the top. Also, we could do, and of course you can always put the, you can put the top with the blazer as well. I'm mixing and matching over here. Another thing that we could do is rock the blazer. Rock the blazer with the bottoms. So we're mixing matching greens, giving a monochrome look. And of course, we can pair that with our green wedge right here if you want to do a full green. Or you can easily pair that with a white. I didn't have my whites up there, but I do have some whites over here on this side with all my shoes. You could do a white if you want to do that and have like a full green look and break it up a little bit. You could do that, and you could do that with that white, with that top as well, and give more of a, break it up a little bit. So that could be definitely a pair look. What we have here we go. We have another big rose floral look. It's going to give this top right here by itself. So you're going to have like this big flower, kind of giving that, what's the word I'm looking for? My mind went to a blank. My mind went to a straight blank. Oh my goodness. But anyway, it's given that, too, we have a pin right here. gosh, the brooch. It's giving a brooch. This is what it feels like to me. It's giving like a big brooch look. And I love a brooch, but it's, you know, it's attached to the shirt already. So it's giving a brooch look. You can wear that with the jean. And if you want to have a pink and green look, you can put the blazer over it. So that is really a really cute look. One way you can do, I have a floral, this I pretty much wear these every time it's spring. You can rock that with that look. Of course, you can break it up and put a tan with this. You could put a pink shoe with this. You could put a green shoe with that. And that gives that whole kind of like an AKA look. But if you just like pink and green, you can wear pink and green. And that gives a nice spring look. Another look I have here. We want to go out for the night. But hey, maybe it's a little chilly, or maybe you're doing brunch. Then you can put the blazer over top of this. And what look I would pair with this is this orange. I forgot these are connected. I connected these together. These are the wraparound ankle shoes, so you can pair that, give a little green and orange look. And now you have a little brunch or a date night look with the blazer. One of my last looks here for now, I still got the tag on here because I haven't worn it yet. So we got this leopard print. Leopard print is in. Now it is getting springtime, so it is getting a little warm. But in the morning, like this morning, it was 30 degrees. Like my throat's hurting right now because I wasn't expecting this weather to switch up on me. It's been in the 70s, like during the day. We're in the period where, you know, in the morning it's like burr. And then during the day it's warm. And now you're like, oh, now I'm hot. But if you know, if you're a little cold in the morning or the night, or if you're going out for the, you know, the night, you can definitely still throw on a throw. It's not too warm, but it still has a lining in it. So one thing, I have this big foot kick shirt. So we have a t-shirt. We can do a nice t-shirt look. Of course, you can tie this t-shirt up how you want it to be. And you can wear this. We could do a green pants with it. And if we want to dress it down, let's go ahead and throw a sneaker. So if you want to have the full look. So we have, see if I can hold it. We got a t-shirt, of course, as us females, you know, we can tie it up, make it look real cute. If you want to show your belly or however you want to have it, throw on a sneaker with it. If you want to dress it down, or you want to dress it up, we can throw on a heel with it. However you like it. But those are some of the looks definitely that I would rock. Every single one of these looks. Every single one of these looks I would definitely wear. And so that just gives you a little idea of how you can dress down this suit, how you could dress it up for date night, how you can make it casual with a jean and a top, and then still give it a little business casual with a blazer. How you can mix and match with another set. How you can definitely dress it up again, but giving it like corporate, but dress it up, or maybe like not corporate. Maybe you're just out here maybe you got a meeting. This would be really cute. And then of course you can always, I think you can see me in the camera here. You can always definitely just throw on a long throw, and that gives the look too. And we have, as you see, a variety of different shoes. We got the Christian Louis Vuitton, the red bottoms. We got some sling back pumps over here. You got your wedges. If you're a wedge girl, you have another set of pumps. You got your wraparound if you want to wear your stilettos. And then you got your sneakers for sneakerheads. Like, there's different ways that you can mix and match these outfits, these suits. I want you all to understand, just like we go back and watch the other video if you haven't already, but if you have, you already know, as I stated, that you can wear looks different ways. Like, you do not have to just wear that one set. I see a lot of people buy a set and they will only wear it like this. They will only wear it the way it came. Let's mix and match. Let's break it up. Let's make it into different looks. let's wear what we bought. Like I see a lot of times that we buy one thing and then we're buying multiple things, spending a lot of money. I'm frugal. And if it's good quality, it could be sustainable, which means we can keep it for a long time. Doesn't mean we have to get rid of it. And this all stemmed from the first video. If you watched the first video, I had a comment on my Instagram where someone asked me, when do you get rid of items? And if it's good quality, if it is a good fit for you, then I stated you don't ever have to get rid of it. That doesn't mean you have to wear it every day, every week. You can put it in the back of your closet if you don't want to wear it all the time. But to know how to mix and match your looks, know how to wear it different ways so that you can keep your items for a long time, so that you have quality items and you're not just purchasing fast fashion because you're like, okay, I wore that one time and I don't want nobody to see me wear that again. We got to get out of that. If you're buying quality items and you're spending your good money, your hard-earned money on these quality items, then we're not going to wear these items one time. We're going to wear them multiple times in different ways. You're going to see me in it again, but most likely you're not going to see me how I wore it the first time because I'm going to mix and match and I'm going to wear it a different way. So I just want to teach you all how to style yourselves. And some of these looks may not have spoke to you, like I wouldn't wear that, and that might not be your style, and that is okay. I'm just showing you how different ways that you can mix and match your looks. So find the way that you would feel comfortable and mixing and matching, and then be like, okay, so I could wear, maybe I would be the one who would wear the dress with the blazer. Maybe I'm not the one who would wear the leopard print and the t-shirt and the sneakers because I'm not a sneaker girl. Or maybe I am the sneaker girl and I would wear this, but I wouldn't wear this big floral rose on my shirt. So it just speaks to you. No, and a lot of people say, I don't know what I want. That's why you need personal styling, and I completely understand that. But if you, of course, anytime you want styling, if you need any of these services, I do offer them. You can click the link in the bio. But if you are mixing and matching and trying to play with items and trying to figure things out on yourself, on your own, then I would say try these items on. If you're trying to figure it out and you don't want to spend a lot of money on quality and you're like, I really don't know if this is my style, then of course go to fast fashion. Go to Amazon and purchase items. If you don't like it, as you know, with Amazon, majority of the items you can return back with no cost. So that's a way of trying on things to see if you actually like it. And if you have a feel for it, then you're like, okay, I like this look on me. Then you can go ahead and purchase it in quality. Or a second way to do this is go to the mall. If you are like, I don't really like to go shopping, but that is one way to try the items on in the store. Go try them on. Go to the fitting room. Go try on the jeans. Go try on the shirt. And if it does not speak to you, that is not for you. And that is okay. So, but I know a lot of my people, they either do like to go to stores or they do not like to go into stores. For the people who do like to go to stores, I say go and try it on. For the people who don't, definitely you can purchase items online. Check the return policy before you purchase them and see if it's an easy return and if you will be able to get a full refund. So that's all I have for you today. I just want to show you all how you can mix and match these looks, how you can pair them together, and how we can make sure that we're keeping our items for a long time and that they are staying sustainable and that they are good quality. Until next time.